Now let me show you how you can make your clock bigger on your iPad. Well, as you can see on my home screen, I have this clock, right, which I can see only as a small icon. And so in order to make the clock looking bigger in here, by the way, I'll get to more options like the lock screen, for example, as well, but on the home screen you can just hold down on the clock icon and you can pick from these other options, right? So as you can see right now, it is currently set to just this small icon, but you can choose the other one in here and bump up the size, right? So as you can see, it made it look a little bit different and bigger, right? So that's how you can switch from the small icon to the larger widget in terms of the clock app. And as well, you can hold down anywhere on the home screen, go to the edit button in the top left, click on add widget, and you can definitely find the clock widgets in here, and you can add like the larger ones or different styles as well. So that's how you can make it show up bigger on the home screen alongside all of your apps here. So that's the first thing. But outside of that, if you mean the lock screen, right? So if I go in here, and you can see I've got a bunch of stuff going on, but you can see that my clock in here is pretty large actually, right? And if you want to change the size of this, just swipe down on your home screen like this so you can see the time, hold down on it with your finger and click on the customize button below. This will get you to this edit mode, and you can naturally grab the handle next to the time, next to the clock, and make it larger or smaller, right? So that's how you're going to change it. Just keep in mind that not every single font works with it. For example, if you click on the time again and switch it to something like this, well, this clock is not resizable. We don't have any like handle to make it bigger. So if that's the case, just click it and choose like a different font in here. And now, as you can tell, this one is resizable. So that's how you can do this to bump up the size, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Just hit the done button in the top right corner so it actually gets saved like this. And now you have the large clock on the lock screen as well as on the home screen. So hope it helped. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.